Hey guys, here we go with a new video, and this one is about the 4 types of products to avoid dropshipping. And just before that we start, like if you watched my previous video, I announced that there is 10 coupon for e-commerce Elite Accelerator half price. There is still 3 left, so for anyone who's gonna take action on that. And now let's move to the serious things. So the first type of product to avoid dropshipping is what I call risk of death products. It's this kind of product like for mountain climbing and stuff, because it's made in China. You're not sure if it is working properly, and people have the risk of death, like climbing a mountain with some Chinese not very high quality uh, uh, full body not protection, this kind of things. I don't know what is the name. I don't climb rocks. Anyway, you've got the point. It's risky. Like people could die easily with this kind of stuff, and you don't want to have some death of somebody on your conscience. So better avoiding this kind of product. So the second type of product is what I like to call mainstream products. And by mainstream products, it means that the products we can find in every store around the corner or supermarket or everywhere, or even online on the most famous website. It's something like you can't compete with those places selling. It's not some product that's gonna give some wow effect like, oh my god, I want this towel, it looks so fucking badass, or this cup, or like toilet paper, like oh my god, this toilet paper is infinite or something. There are things we can find everywhere, so better avoiding this kind of stuff and focusing on more product that can like create some impulse purchase with the customer. Like he see it, he can't resist, and he go and buy. Not like some product like that, they're gonna think, oh, okay, but there is one in the mercado, in the supermarket around the corner. I go and I get one. Type number 3, it's clothing. Clothing, because let's say that you start first thing with clothing, unless if you are doing some print on demand. Print on demand is another story, but I'm talking about proper clothing, selling clothes like boxer, like pants, like anything, shirt, t-shirt. What happens is that the size in China are very different from the size in the country where you are selling. Like even here in Brazil, like the size are different from the US and from Europe. Each country is have its specific size. And on AliExpress, like this happened to me. I was selling some clothes in the very beginning, and I had a lot of refunds because people received the item and the size doesn't match. So like you sell for somebody some M, and what he gets is some XL or XXL or XXS, and this is not cool. So personally, I don't recommend a lot. Not only that, but the other reason is that when you start selling clothing, you are competing with some big famous brands like Zara, Levi Strauss, So, and you are bringing some very random clothes, very normal, that people could buy better quality at a more famous brand. And why would they buy from you at first? And if they buy from you, like they will receive the item and the size won't match, and you will get a refund. It won't be cool. And number 4 that I don't recommend, and I see many doing this mistake, is trademark products, unless you get a license from the brand. Because when you start selling some trademark products, you have many risks. First risk is that you lose your Shopify payments or Stripe payments. Second one is to lose your PayPal payments, because PayPal don't accept selling trademark item. And same for Shopify payments and Stripe. Same for unless if you have some high risk payment processor. And and the other thing is that you can lose also your Facebook ad account, because it's against the terms of use of Facebook. So better avoiding selling anything Star Wars, Pokemon, Marvel, anything as long as it is a brand or some Nike, some fake Nike or some fake Sony, Panasonic, anything that is a big brand, better avoid selling it to not be in trouble, to not lose your Facebook ad account, and to not lose your payment processors. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, thumb up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also leave me in the comment section like what if you have some question either about this, or if you have any question, leave that on the comments and I'll try to develop this in the next video. Like I can make a video about some specific questions and go a little bit in depth. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers.